Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a link in Foxit PDF editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we basically want to do is open up your Foxit PDF editor and open up the PDF file or file that you'd like to add that link into. Then from here, I want to click onto edit. Now, below that, we've got different tabs. We want to go ahead and click on that link tab like so. Then select an area on the page and create a new link here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a link under this text. Then from here, we can create the link. So we've got thickness, we can change that. We can highlight, invert outline, change the color if we like. So I might change it to green. Now destination, so now this is where we can add a link. So if you want this to go to a page view, you can, to a name position, open, execute a file, open a web link or others. I'm just going to click on open a web link, then click next. Now for this, I want to put in that web link. So I'm just going to put in google.com and click on OK. Then from there, you're going to see here, you got the link that's been added to your editor. So if I hover over it, it's going to say google.com.